काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्षपदाचे वेंचणुकेंतली जितेंद्र देशप्रभून कुतां काडूंक सुरवात केल्या। काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्षपद आमदाराक दिवचे परस बाकीच्या खंयच्याय फुडाऱ्याक दिवप बरें म्हूण आदलो आमदार जितेंद्र देशप्रभू उलयला। आमदाराचें काम खंय मातशें कमीच जाता। प्रदेशाध्यक्षपद दक्षिण गोंयाक दिवचे परस उत्तरेक दिल्यार खंय चड बरें, तातूंतले तातूंत मायनॉरिटीचो मनीस दवरचो।
There are MLAs, let them be MLAs, let them work hard towards legislative work. I don't see not many private members' bills coming, any resolutions of any national, state level consequences coming. But the party and the legislature should be distinctly separate. But party-wise, you appoint a person who will carry not only the existing pact of the Congress leadership, but will go to every regional leadership. Party hierarchy will have to understand that if the majority is already enjoying certain position at the legislature level, the party must look for the minority leadership to at some position. And this has been the mainstay of the Congress party, where all communities have converged onto, in Goa, to elect the Congress party. It may be minority community, it may be even majority community, but should be given to the north, because right now what is the position? You have the leader of the opposition is from the south district. You have the Mahila president from the south district. You have the AICC secretary from the south district. Are we leaving the North Goa a free ride for the BJP to do what they want in here?
मोपा विमानतळाक जमीन घेतना शेतकारांक फटोवचे न्ही, तांकां 6000 चौखंड मेत्र रेट दिवचो म्हूण काँग्रेस मागता। शेतकारांक खंय 4 पट रेट जाय। मोपा कायदो खुट्याळ्याक मारून 21,000 झाडां मारपाचो प्लान केला म्हूण प्रदेश अध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक मिडिया कडेन उलयलो।
The land price at Mopa is rupees 1,500 per square meter, prevailing market rent at Mopa. You have to multiply it by 4, and therefore the land losers of Mopa are entitled to get compensation at the rate of 6,000 rupees per square meters. What has been paid by the government or proposed to be paid is 3 times the price which is paid now. The trees were not numbered, and nowhere I heard that a permission to cut trees is given by tree officer without numbering the trees.
मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार खंय ताच्या भलायकेची अपडेट दिता सभापती प्रमोद सावंताक। मंत्री समिती वेल्या खंयच्या मंत्र्याकडे उलोवप ताचेर खंय पर्रीकार स्वता कन्फ्यूज।
Out of 3, whom you should phone? Again, the problem is that no. Now you follow this point, na? If CM wanted to speak to one of the ministers, to whom to speak? Is also fundamental question.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आनी शिरीष कुंकळेकार।
मायनिंग इंजिनियरिंग केल्ल्या आनी ग्रॅज्युएट भुरग्यांक नोकऱ्यो मेळनात म्हूण NSUI खंय फेसबुका वेल्यान सरकारा आड चळवळ सुरू करपाची आसा। स्टार्टअप स्किमीचेर IT मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटेन भुरग्यांक फटयले। रोहनान खुर्ची सोडची म्हूण NSUIन इश्यू घेतला। मेक इन इंडिया आनी स्टार्टअप इंडिया दोनूय खंय फेल।
Make in India has been a failure. The Startup India has been a failure. We hope that the government comes up with something, and if they cannot come up with anything within these 7 or 8 days, they have to resign and give an opportunity for someone who can do something. Rohan Conte, who spoke so much about Startup India when he came to power, is completely, it was a fast promise, because there was nothing reflected in the budget. There was nothing that could employ people, or there were no innovative ideas that came up, and it was just a fake promise that was made. So Rohan Conte also has to resign, and who are doing their mining engineering, their future is completely bleak and blank. The 2017 batch that has passed out, wherein mining was going on, not even a single person has got a job. So first of all, this is a failure. This is a major failure of the government, and the government has to come with an alternative source for the youth and the students of Goa, because there was a time wherein there was a hope that some or the other mining company would accommodate you all for a job. But now that is also bleak and blank. So this has affected the entire student community. The mining community is completely bleak and blank. They don't know of what to do. And we are supposed to start with a movement itself. It will start with a social media movement for the student community about employment. And later on we will go up to the streets also.
Give a commercial break.